you can only do so much with vanilla JavaScript, so at some point you'll have to install Node.js. Here's how you do it. Go to nodejs.org and right away you should be offered the version best for your machine, but if you prefer you can go to Downloads and choose yourself. I've got a Windows machine, so that's what I'm going to grab right now and save it. And as soon as that's saved, I can run the installer. Here it is. Let's click on Next and accept the terms. I have read them before. Choose where it goes. Here you can see it already comes with the npm package manager. Wonderful. Next. And I would also like some extra tools. Yes, please. Chocolatey. Absolutely. Next. We are ready to install. Let's go. I'm speeding this up a lot because that took a while, but we're ready to finish and install all the extras. And here we go, all done. Let's enter to exit, because, and here we go, let's check it all worked. From the command line, that's node, then -v, tells us which version of Node we've got, npm -v, which version of npm. We're all up to date. Excellent. And I'd like to stay up to date with as low effort as possible, so I'm going to go to npm and look for a package called n. I've only just heard of it, it sounds awesome. It will update everything for me automatically without me having to remember every time a new version comes out. The commands n, install globally n, and here we go. Uh-oh. Okay then, let's check out that error code. Google, tell me, what is it? What's the problem? Okay, the first answer I've already checked, it's wrong. Let's have a look at this one. Can anyone tell me what the issue is? Oh yeah, module does not support Windows. Okay, no N for me. Alright then, let's go back to basics. Back to the command line, that is. Let's start small and update npm from here. npm I, that's short for install globally, npm at latest, we'll grab the version for us that's the most current. And here we go, that's it. And because we've got Chocolatey now, we can also update Node from here. cinst nodejs. Oh, okay. I do not have the administrator privileges. Let's get those right now. Back to Git Bash, but this time let's run it as administrator. Same command, cinst nodejs.install. And here we go. Let's agree, because now we can, now we've got the power. And I'll run very quickly through the 45 seconds that it actually took, and here we are. All done. The latest version of Node installed from the command line. And let's check. Yeah, we're all current. Wonderful. We've got all the latest toys. We know how to keep them up to date. I think we're ready to go do some actual coding. You'll find all the links in the description below so you can go have some fun with Node. Bye for now.